Hey guys, good day to you. Today I would like to share with you the text typography. So for example, this one is my previous one. So I just copied it and then paste it. So this time I will use because I'm the Canva free version user, so I will choose two way. One is use Photopea, another one I will use the remove BG. The step is similar like a Canva Pro user the step. So I will make it the Photopea the step first to make you more easily to understand if you are the Canva free version user like me. So now I use the text and then I change the background color becoming I just use the pink color as well. Text will be used pink color. The background I just use white color for my further use. So now I just come to the file, download the picture type is PNG, and then the picture is number 2. Just click done, download. Okay, then just come to the Photopea, open from computer. Just now the one I upload. Now I want to remove this text for my further use, but I also need to do two jobs. The first job is download magic range. I adjust this one becoming 5, click OK, and then hit the button delete. So now I already removed the white color. So this is the number 1. I want the PNG photo. I come to file, export as PNG. This one is Canva for example maybe BG, because already removed the BG. So I also can hit the command Z or control Z to back to previous time, but same like the dot over there, coming here, select, and then click the inverse or control I or command I to hit it, to click it, and then click the button delete. So this time he will remove the pink color text, just remain the white color. So I also need to download for further use. So PNG as well. This time the name I will put, just remove the text already. I just say Canva white for easy to recommend the picture. So now I'm going back to the Canva. So here I choose new page and then just select one of the photo and then right click, set as a background, upload just now the photo. Okay, one is remain the text, another one is remove the pink color text. So now I want the Canva text first. So I just click this one and then scale up to cover this page. Now I lock it, the white color page. So now I have download page number 3 to click page number 3, download. Then I upload the picture number 2, upload. So I can put this text, the picture, then make it cover like this. Then I can to cut this picture to becoming half. okay, like this. Need to cover like this. Then going back to the photo just now, the one, just put end on the corner, scale up, then from here cut to another half here, so they will be look like this. Now I have the balanced white color text. White. Going back to Canva, text, then make the text touch to the end corner, scale up, cut to the half like this. Then this effect will become out, but the pink color is so no matching with the yellow flower, yellow, white, green flower. So we can come to edit image, click dual tones, click one more time, change to white color, both of them change to white color, click apply, and then this is using the photopier to come out the effect, the result like this. So now if I use the photopier, if I use the remove BG or the Canva BG, so the another way is like this. So click the text. So now we're going to use the Canva Pro user, the Canva Pro now we use as a Canva Pro user the method. For example, now I'm going here, and then we use the triangle, and then change the triangle color becoming yellow. Then what we want to do is make this triangle can fully cover the text, and then we right click, send to back. Okay, then this text we change to white color. So download this page and then upload again in the Canva, and then we can use the edit image to remove the white color text and the white color background. So if you are the Canva free user, if you're Canva the Pro user, you can use this kind of technique. So the page is number 5, page number 5. Then need to download, waiting for a while. Okay, so that means like this. You have to upload this one, you can see, for example, so this one, when you click this picture, if you're Canva Pro user, you click edit image, click this one, remove. That will help you to remove this white color text and white color background. So the result is similar like this. I just show you the example. They will make like this, so just download. Okay, the result is same like this. So this one I upload, remove BG. So this one I delete. So the result is like this. So now same, we back to the photo we use, right click, save as a PNG, save as a background. So this is similar. Just now I used the way like photopier. So now what I want to do is must be fully cover the balance the photo with yellow color, and then download this page number 6. So I think previous time I already did some, so just here to copy it and then just pass it here. And then all the color I change to white, change to yellow color. So if you're a Canva Pro user, you must use this kind of yellow and the picture text. Then just download and upload one more time in your Canva, and then click the remove background button to remove it. Okay, upload one more time. This, let's take a look. Okay, similar like this. So if you're the result will similar like this. Okay, the result will be similar like this. If you click edit, click background remover, if you're Canva Pro, then the result will be like this. This one I delete. So the result will be like this. Then this one I just cut to the half. So the result will be like this. So we going back here to paste the photo background and then scroll up, cut to the halfway like this. Now what you want to do is the balance text with white color. So the balance white color is just now I mentioned to you, like this one. You just click it, then scroll up like this, cut to the half, change the color becoming white. So the result will be same. So this is the, if you're the Canva free user, Canva free version user, or Canva Pro version user, you also can use this kind of technique to create this text typography. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like and subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video soon. Bye bye.